Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in ExxonMobil step by step clearly. To invest in ExxonMobil, start by educating yourself about the company. Research ExxonMobil's business model, market position, and recent performance. Visit financial news websites for the latest updates on the energy sector. Create an investment strategy that aligns with your financial goals. Determine how much money you are willing to invest in ExxonMobil. Open a brokerage account if you don't have one already. Compare different brokerage platforms to find one that meets your needs. Consider factors like fees, trading options, and user interface. Complete the required application process to set up your account. Once your account is funded, log into the brokerage platform. Search for ExxonMobil by entering its ticker symbol, ExxonMobil. Analyze the stock's current price and historical performance chart. Decide whether you want to buy shares outright or consider options like fractional shares. If you're ready to buy, specify the number of shares you want. Choose the type of order you wish to place, such as a market order or limit order. Review your order details carefully before finalizing the purchase. Confirm the transaction and take note of your ownership in ExxonMobil. Set up alerts to monitor stock performance and relevant news. Consider periodically reviewing your investment to assess its performance. Stay informed about market trends and ExxonMobil's developments. Think about developing a long-term investment strategy for optimizing your returns. Evaluate your overall portfolio to ensure it remains well diversified. Be prepared to make adjustments based on market conditions and personal circumstances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.